Yagbonwura, he kutu to swallow the guy. The chairman, so the mayor has here. The two for Asantehene. In the end, the man baby the divisional chiefs, them walk the and so the making name Yama Yagbonwura Papa. One day, Pansono. I now want to praise you to Obaya. Whiskey, Pantumiano, Randy Pantumiano, Sharp Pantumiano, and a crocodile, great. And nine. So, do what? This is your kind. So, do us here. On a pound, they're not in a deba. I'm on a call.
Jara, Nana, Para, ya Ceremonial. Mabandara Mugura ay Kubura basa dushino ni cheji. Mugura basa dushino ni cheji. Ama mnuka kanadara baba Sumaraba. Nadara Mugura mnuka Linda Sari. Ay baba Sumaraba asafi chu. Ichina snap ana malt coke amamba ana pushe kawi patankra na manu wi mun bodu na dimite na akorana tete tete so bambiar kawi na aye anusina mo bete da bana jande na so mun nuwa mun kani bu fese bre ka ran fa san so kwa ji mga to mun da fa akrana la fa san san bro ni la also tera urebi encore papa ni tune tambara na mata urwa ya so Saya nomor nana. Kamu kamu cepnya, nampak tak kucuro sejarah nama kamu lagi. Ini mana betul? Ada pemain
Ceremonial kakak ya, so tu fora. Ini penamancis. Asantehene, Asantehene, Arafu, Bono East, Ibi wo Oti, Ibi wo East region.
May your kingdom reign forever. Our great King Otumfo Osei-Tutu II, the King of wisdom and integrity. Yera kotoko hili nyankwadao, Santimera Okwaso. Watrana tabanso, ama Asantehene Ghana, eni riasina. Your kingdom remain na bema kukuru pejafwa. Osini mema mpimudu. Opampemira wata banso. Aya akataso. Akata mpempem adajaso. Kotoko hini. Yewu Otumfo nyankwada. Adento ye mayera. Adento ye mayera Otumfo. Adentoye Emma Yagbonwura. Otumfo damase. Otumfo damase. Asantehene edamase. Damba dance. Ohimpon, Uropon, Kuropon, Frampa Wutu Kuropomu, Erotumfo, Santa Madase, Ohininyankwada. Adentoye ma Erotumfo, Adentoye mana Manhyia, Adentoye mo Otumfo Abrempon.
Address from the Yagbonwura. Your Royal Majesty, King of Ashanti Kingdom, King Otumfo Osetutu II, Honorable Ministers of State, Honorable Members of Parliament, Nananom, Asantehene, Gonjaland, religious leaders, the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I bring you warm greetings from the Gonja Kingdom and the Savannah region. It's a great honor to lead this delegation on a courtesy call to the Manhyia Palace. Nananom, this visit reflects my desire of promoting unity and stronger collaboration with the Ashanti Kingdom in keeping with our ancient kingship. We are deeply grateful to your Royal Majesty and the people of Asantehene for the warm reception and hospitality you have accorded us. I'm greatly honored to be associated with this significant festival of Asantehene. It comes at a period when expectations are high for traditional authorities to continue preserving and promoting their rich traditions and customs. Such efforts are essential not only for the safeguarding of cultural heritage, but also for enhancing tourism and contributing to the socio-economic development of our country. May I use this special occasion to formally extend my best wishes to your Royal Majesty, King Osetutu II, the Asantehene, and my brother. Nananom, invited guest. In Ghana, the institution of chieftaincy has been acknowledged by successive legislation and constitutional provisions as playing an important role in the life of the country, particularly in the administration of rural communities and the management of our natural resources. Numerous studies have shown that despite controversies over the relevance of this institution, chiefs remain pivots around whom local communities thrive. I therefore want to appeal to the traditional rulers in Ghana to take this opportunity to prove to skeptics that the chieftaincy institution is ready to take the appropriate steps to better the lot of community members. My visit to my brother, the Asantehene, is a game changer and a giant step to collaborate to improve the lives of our people. Your Majesty, permit me to add that today's gathering is far more than a ceremonial visit. It is a reunion of two great royal houses, two great kingdoms, whose destinies have been connected for more than 3 centuries. Nananom, long before the emergence of the modern state of Ghana, the Goja Kingdom and the Ashanti Kingdom stood among the most powerful, well-organized and influential African states in the Southern, enduring kingdoms founded on courage, justice, wisdom, and disciplined leadership. While the Goja Kingdom, under the legendary Sumaila Rajapa, established authority across a huge portion of northern Ghana, the Ashanti Kingdom, under the visionary leadership of Sejutu I, united into one of the greatest empires in African history. Ladies and gentlemen, although our two kingdoms are geographically separated, the problem of proximity in terms of geography notwithstanding, they have long been united by history and destiny. For centuries, Trans-Saharan trade has connected Salaga, Kintampo, Techiman, and Kumasi as the only trade routes before the arrival of the Europeans. These served not only as corridors of commerce, but also as pathways of friendship, diplomacy, and cultural exchange. Goja merchants supplied livestock, salt, shea butter, leather, textiles, and many other products, while the Ashanti traders brought gold, colors, and numerous other products, including manufactured products. This naturally benefited exchanges between the two kingdoms, and it benefited the entire country. That notwithstanding terror and horror to our people, I here want to acknowledge the exceptional leadership that His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama has provided in spearheading the call for repatriation to African nations and restitution of dignity to millions of Africans in the diaspora. They are still suffering from the effects of slave trade. It takes strong character. It takes limitless courage. It takes an enduring love for justice for a man to be able to push this agenda through. Nananom, beyond commerce, our relationship was further deepened through faith and scholarship. History records that distinguished Muslim scholars from the Goja Kingdom were warmly welcomed in the Ashanti Kingdom, where they served in the royal court by offering spiritual guidance, prayers, Islamic scholarship, and wise counsel. Their presence reflected the deep trust, mutual respect, and enduring friendship that existed between our two kingdoms. It also demonstrated that our relationship was founded not only on trade and diplomacy, but equally on shared spiritual values, respect, intellectual exchange, and a common commitment to peaceful coexistence. Your Majesty, history also records movements when our kingdoms found themselves on opposing sides in the battlefield. Sad to say, but during the reign of Okukwari I, the Ashanti Kingdom extended its influence northwards, and the Goja Kingdom experienced periods of armed conflicts. But this is the past. We have long forgotten and gone over all that. What we are praying for, Your Excellency, is the continuous cooperation between Goja and the Ashanti Kingdom. Our two kingdoms understood that the greatness of our kingdoms is measured not by perpetual conflict, but by their capacity for diplomacy, mutual respect, reconciliation, and shared prosperity. The visit therefore reaffirms the long-standing relationship between Gonja and the Ashanti, and a bond that has endured through generations and continues to grow stronger with passage of time. It is our sincere hope that this enduring friendship will continue to inspire greater collaboration, deepen mutual understanding, and strengthen the unity between our two kingdoms. Your Majesty, your outstanding contribution to peace building, together with other eminent chiefs, the Yagbonwura of Gonja and the Nairi of Mamprese, is highly commendable. It is also widely acknowledged as a stabilizing force in this nation. Your pivotal role in the successful resolution of the Dagbon chieftaincy, despite all strong skepticism, remains a shining example of statesmanship, wisdom, and leadership. Nananom, as traditional rulers, we have a sacred responsibility to preserve our customs and traditions while guiding our people towards peace and prosperity. In recent years, one challenge that has confronted many traditional areas across the country is the increasing incidence of land disputes. Land conflicts have the potential to divide families, communities, and traditional areas, discourage investment, and threaten social harmony. It is therefore my humble appeal that our two kingdoms will continue to work closely together and share experiences in promoting peaceful mechanisms for resolving land disputes. What is more important is to share knowledge and experiences on more effective and efficient systems of land administration. I believe that through dialogue, mediation, mutual respect, and adherence to customary laws, we can help to reduce tensions and maintain peace within our traditional areas. Let us strengthen cooperation between our kingdoms so that together we can become stronger advocates for peace and stability throughout the country. This visit, therefore, provides an opportunity for us to reaffirm our commitment to unity and collaboration. Nananom, ladies and gentlemen, another important issue confronting the institution of chieftaincy is the growing number of disputes relating to succession to skills and stools. Many traditional areas continue to experience challenges arising from uncertainties regarding customary succession and arrangements. In this regard, I respectfully wish to advocate for greater support from the government of Ghana to the Regional House of Chiefs and the National House of Chiefs to facilitate the codification and proper documentation of customary laws, family lineages, gates, skills, stools, and lines of succession. Such support will significantly reduce succession disputes, promote orderly transitions, preserve our customs, and strengthen the institution of chieftaincy. Your Royal Highness, you are a brother, and that this may be the first official visit. More are yet to come. Long live the Gonja Asante bond of friendship. Long live Ghana, and may God bless us all.
My calabash colonels, 2 bowls, hand-woven cloth, a box of stamps, and an undisclosed sum for the chiefs. The last present which they should bring forward is a very special present that we want to give to them. As Nana sees me standing here, he's probably wondering what I am doing here. But tradition has made me. And this elephant task, as he sees on my walking stick, is going to be that big house of Yagbonwura, his sister's house. So we are all from my family the warfare of any Yagbonwura who come to meet us. But this task is a symbol of our past. Because we don't normally give to anybody because it is a heritage for us. But because of this very special occasion, we have been asked to present it to you as a token of the love that we want to share in building our two nations and the friendship that we continue. Thank you very much, Nana Tufo. To re-emphasize a few points in his own voice today. He wants to acknowledge the significant contribution that Nana Otumfo makes to the stability of the nation. And he wants to give great thanks and encourage him to lead all of them in promoting that peace and stability. He can be assured of the continued support of the Japa Palace because the negotiations for peace for Dagbon met 3 Yagbonwuras. Yagbonwura Toshi was my own grandfather, and Yagbonwura Boresa before the current Yagbonwura. But what is started in the house continues in the house, irrespective of who comes. And that is the relationship we want to share with Nana. Yagbonwura wants to re-emphasize that when we claim that there's a fraternal relationship between Asantehene and Gonja, it is not just words. There is historical evidence of the origins of Asante from the Intafo, who we later came to meet, and we also threw the Mande clan for Gonja with them. So we all came from the same, and we want to continue that relationship. That no matter how sweet things feel in the mouth, sometimes the tongue and the teeth collide, and there's some bitter pain. But that pain has gone. The new era is one of collaboration. And even though we know the significant horrors of the slave trade that ensued, we are very pleased that both Nana Otumfo and Yagbonwura will continue to support the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in seeking reparations, not just in material terms, but in the restoration of dignity to our kinfolk who are out in the diaspora. We want to also express deep appreciation for Nana's support for Yagbonwura's own son, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We want to continue that relationship and know that his support will continue for him to have a successful presidency. In the wisdom that Nana has given him, he himself has said there wouldn't be a third term. But apart from all of that, I think we all know that Nkrumah was a Guan. Buzia had Guan roots. I believe even Kufuor may have Guan roots. And JJ had Guan roots. And now we have Atamils who also had Guan roots. And also John Mahama who had Guan roots. So we think that we have had enough. We want to share.
aman ho adwiri no moya le fefe a sabio ebronte ase so na mo ba yesu so mi giri se Asantehene so agimo fefe so fefe Ira Edamasi na emi se yede wano asemu tudwa no obobo nsem kakra so edika aheniem edika said the bruni beka share destiny so obo nsasesem so na mejidi se oba asantemu a Ira tingoi bibia oye bia no ompre ema Asantehene keke oprema Ghana maina emuni ama bebre owa edaji ahensem Ira no asem eche se enye bibia yede court ya kodi aye bibia ya hwehwe bibia wa ha fefefe se bibi to sinia yehe ya kan ofie edun sa asesem so a saa so ya ye hwehwe bebre wo ha eboa ema nsa asesem sabio enkowi o court oba ha pra mpo a ye sa asesem so kan de ejira pintin asase ni na wa Asantehene de Ira ena ele de ha odna no tofo a ewie ano ntrese emu eye projin eye den ya nipa ho adwuma ne eye kakra betosini na kakra so etosini no yeguso eye ntoto ya sabio se ya hini o nsasesemo ye be ya ma na ye fefefe na maba ma be hye ni monyami ma kire se ye nyina ye baako o kasa de tuja eye se ye nyina nkambom nyanya baako na ye hye ya bakosem kra de a ene ene wo ye ya de ase baako anisa ye ntitem ena wa wo so una na no wa mu okroma ombedi adanse se omoba sabio Asantehene mu a ye nyina ya yesa de baako sabio obi kasa Asantehene mbo no boja ye nyina ye ba ye kambom oba ha ye de ani sikagya saa so na mgidi se wo nkofo so ewo ho a sabio omo so de ane wo eni de bi omu bia so omo so de mawo Asante ni gonja ene edai ayesonko ahyase sidi wano asem etudwa no da ye ba akopɛ enye ne ene betwa sidi na nakan no bebre na wona nim a eba ene ma kyerɛ sɛ sabio adamfo bi ɛkyɛn onua ɛdɔm a mo de aba de oha enum achi maba eni aba abedi ukudei maba ma na efefe Ira say me fantu manim say enimonyam ya ma be hye wa hai ye ma ni ntwa wa ha keke na yeso so ye babo boa doma no na yeso so aba abesra mo bo eti sabio ene ahenka se nienu ena ehia ena eka odo ho asem enuanom asem ekabo ho asem impuntu asem na man eyie mu asem sei ne keka ahenia sa ena kwasi ehu no ena dai megidi se megidi Ira ano etu edwamu de ohwe ene de obete no onsia bibi free ahenia wo Ghana enya apre eye nkabom a ewo se de ta eman nachi ni epeja amaniemu enti maba yemamo akwaba sonko enuanom mabo mo bia enkyerɛ baabi enhyehyɛ adwemmɔne biara sɛ ɔbɛtete yɛn ntam ɛnɛ da nyɛ da soronko a yɛbɛkae ɛde ato Ghana man mu sɛ Gonja man ewura ɔba Asante mu no ɔda no tu gya sɛ yɛnka mmom yɛmpagya Asante ne Ghana Gonja baabiara na nipa mu emu nipa nso yɛnyɛ koro yɛyɛ koro a ɛna bɛboa ama Ghana ɛtu mpɔn enti wei deɛ megyina me wura anan mu a naaseɛ kɛseɛ ɛne akɔ aba me wura Daroma.